I'm so freaking proud of you right now. You have made it to week 3 of the challenge. We have arrived towards the end of our challenge. We have one more, a few things to discuss, and then we'll discuss what's next for you, like what's the next step, right? All right, so today we are going to be focusing on the techniques, the products, the tips, the tricks, and so much more. So I would use this video right now, just to introduce you to what is to come, and I will have additional videos based on different topics so that it's more organized, because I didn't want to just bunched up everything into one video. I wanted to be sure, like, if you wanted to just know about ingrown hair, you can go to that specific video to learn about it. If you wanted to learn about how to determine your skin type, if you haven't watched the video already, then I would have that separate. So I want to do all the different tips and tricks differently, and then I'm also going to bring on a professional, an expert in the field, different fields, just to kind of give you more solid advice, because my advice is just from self-education and also personal experience. But then I want to be sure that I bring in an expert just to kind of give you more value. All right, so I know that for a lot of you, this is going to actually be your favorite week, because you probably joined this challenge because you wanted the tips, you wanted the tricks, you wanted those practical advice to kind of help you get the results. So this week, that is what we will be focusing on, okay? So we are going to talk about how to stop overspending on drugstore, Amazon, and other products from various sources. We are going to talk all about ingrown hair, why you get them, how you treat them, and most importantly, how to keep them away for good. Yeah. And we are going to talk about facial hair, the good, the bad, the ugly. We are going to talk about how to determine your skin type. So I'll tell you this right now, and then I'll do an actual video of me so you can see it in action. So facial hair. Well, I didn't mean to kick you. Sorry. All right, so we say all about facial hair and then how to determine your skin type. So to determine your skin type, you can cleanse your skin. So you wash, rinse it off, wash, rinse it off. Yeah, I hope you like my sound effects. And then after that, you wait about 20 to 25 minutes. And once that time is up, then you can go and look in the mirror. So if you have dry skin, then you'll see kind of like an ashy cast. And if you have oily, you are going to see that oil just ready for you to bake something. All right, no. It sounded better in my head, but I had to share it with you anyways. So for me personally, when I do this test, and here I am just like ashy to the 100th power. And then in here I have like a nice little sheen going on naturally. So that is how my skin works. All right. All right, so I'm also going to give you some tips to help you find the right products every time for your skin type and your skin condition, because I've had so many different cases where someone thought they had oily skin when really their skin was dry, but because they weren't taking care of their skin properly, then the skin just, So, how to determine like the best product to use for your skin, step-by-step regimens to help you build your own regimen. I have an ebook. You should have received it by now. If not, I will try and link it down below, but it should have been in your very first email, first or second email. So I usually like to send that out early just to make sure you have access to it. But if you do need it, I will also add that in here for you, okay? Let's see. How to decide that's daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly skincare must. And we are going to talk about body care, self-care, how to set realistic goals and expectation for your skin, hair, and that's the other thing. I am going to bring in an expert to talk about hair, skin, and nails. Although I am licensed for nails and skin, I know that I can bring a dermatologist on to give you some additional information. I know that I can bring a nail tech in who's actually out there, or even a podiatrist. I'm going to try and get both of them on here for you, just to kind of give you more practical tips to help you just get what it is that you want in life. Because sometimes we let the physical things that we're dealing with hold us back from what we really want and need, where it shouldn't be that like that, so I will share all of that with you daily, weekly, and oh, that's the other thing. So I'm conducting research with different professionals to see when you should see them and how often and all that stuff. When should you see your dentist? When should you see your OBGYN? When should you see your primary? So I'm conducting this research, and then I will also add that in here as part of this series, as something that you can reference back to whenever you need it, okay? And so we talked about that. We're also going to be talking about the benefits of professional treatments, if and when you do need the professional treatments, or if it's just like a DIY situation where you can do it yourself at home. And yeah, it's a lot. So expect to see a lot of videos below this video. So this page is going to be full with videos from different experts, different things that I've shared over the years. So it's just going to be a combination of things that just think about it as like your resource toolbox. It will be everything that you need to get clear, smooth, and even skin, and also go after the life and career that you want and deserve. And part of that is making sure you're working on your mind, you're working on your outer appearance, because as much as we want to say that, oh, I'm not vain, I don't really care about the outer appearance, we do care about it. So why not take care of it, right? So I've seen this, so like whenever I just walk out the house, I don't try and do anything. I feel very self-conscious, versus where if I intentionally make sure that I do my eyebrows, make sure I put on a little lipstick, or whatever the case may be, then I feel a little bit better. So for me, I know this, so then I always try and at least draw on my eyebrows when I leave the house. Doesn't always happen, but I do try. But yes, that is what we will be talking about for this week. Practical tips that you can apply, add into your regimen to help you get the results that you are looking for. So stick with me. Ask me a question. I am here to support you. Join me in the private Facebook group. Be sure you are following us on social media or whatever platform you're on. It's always going to be at Luxury Lotus Spa. And if you want to follow my personal page, it's at Esther_the Esthetician on Instagram. I don't always post consistently, but because I'm usually more focused on the business side, but I do try and post when I have good things going on. And that's actually where I shared all of my treatment pictures and all that other good stuff. So yes, anyways, that is it for this week number 3. So stay tuned, because I have a bonus surprise for you in the next video. Okay, Mwah. Thank you. I am recently in the process of releasing my new book. It's called The Ultimate Self-Care Guide. And the book, the main purpose of it is simply to help you transform your skin and your life. So if you're interested in learning how to be perfectly imperfect and just live the life that you were meant to live, I know you will enjoy this book. You can visit www.shop.luxurylotusspa.com/book to order the book yourself. But I am excited because I'm also including some awesome swag with the book for those who do choose to purchase on my website versus Barnes & Noble, Amazon, or anywhere else. All right, so thank you so much in advance for your support.